and representatives from the industry, academicians, and other distinguished invitees. First of all, my thanks to FICCI Telangana for inviting me to be part of this today's event. I particularly liked the two words that they have chosen in the theme of this conference: resilience and adaptability. To understand the meaning of these two words, we need to look at the comprehensive picture of the need for providing high quality education to our young population in the country. And this picture has two sides. On one side, the question that is coming frequently in our minds, the kind of future that all of us would like to have. What kind of future we would like to have? Obviously, we want to have a future which is sustainable, secure, peaceful, and healthy. We are all on the same page on this. But on the other side of the picture, you also have issues related to the challenges that all of us are facing. For example, the growing population and the increasing demands for clean energy, clean water, food, access to health facilities, access to good education. And then we have the challenges of the multidimensional poverty, the extreme poverty, the economic systems becoming unstable, the climate change. We are all fighting to keep the rise in the global temperature below 2 degrees centigrade as compared to the industrial era global temperatures. So on one side we have our aspirations, and on the other side we have the challenges. And this gap can be built only when we train our young generation to be problem solvers and solution providers, so that the challenges that we are facing, we find out appropriate solutions to this and realize the dream that we have set for ourselves, a sustainable future. In order to do this, we need to bring a lot of reforms in our educational system, starting from school education to the higher education. And we are fortunate that today we have this vision document called the NEP 2020, which lays a roadmap for us on how we can achieve the dream that we have set for ourselves. And the fundamental objectives of this NEP 2020 are very clear. They are, we would like to provide learning outcomes based education to our students. And we want to provide personalized education to our students. And we also need to provide this education at a mass scale, considering the number of students that we have. These three requirements may appear to be contradictory, but there are solutions to realize that. When you provide access to high quality education on a mass scale, it is bound to enhance the societal competency levels. That will enhance the productivity levels. That will enhance the strength of the economic system. And that will help us to invest more funds into the education so that we reach out to even larger number of people. In control theory, we call it positive feedback or a regenerative feedback. And this is what we need to do. But however, when you look at the higher education sector, out of 4.3 crore students that we have, nearly 94% of the students are in 482 private universities, 487 state-funded universities, and 130 deemed to be private universities.